This is Feed the Birds Part 2. Sarah's gonna try and feed them the orange can now. Here
Maybe they'll accept it from me because I'm a girl.
Yeah, whatever. Just go.
Oh.